The remembrance of Arunachala is the supreme meditation. The remembrance of Arunachala is the supreme samadhi. The remembrance of Arunachala is the supreme conduct, action, yoga and knowledge. Remembrance of Arunachala is the supreme charya. Remembrance of Arunachala is the supreme kriya. Remembrance of Arunachala is supreme yoga. Remembrance of Arunachala is supreme jnana. O humanity, remember Arunachala. It is the first and foremost of all. May everything merge into you, O Arunachala. May you shine eternally within me.